Hi guys, it's me, Harris the Weatherman, and today I'm going to update you on the weather. Well, today we're going to go 1 to 3 inches of snow, and then, then we'll have some, tomorrow it'll be really windy and cold, and then it'll be partly cloudy for like most of the days, and might be a few little like snowstorms, but not much. It's not going to be really active, except for tonight. Well, that's all for today, guys. So make sure you like and subscribe to see more videos by Harris the Weatherman. Bye!